Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Once upon a time, there was a little girl named Goldilocks. She went for a walk in a forest. Soon, she came upon a house. She knocked at the door of the house. When no one answered, she walked right into the house. At the table in the kitchen, there were 3 bowls of porridge. Goldilocks was hungry. She tasted the porridge from the first bowl. "This porridge is too hot," she exclaimed. So, she tasted the last bowl of porridge. "Ah, this porridge is delicious," she said happily. Then she drank it all up. She also drank all the porridge of the first and second bowls. After drinking all porridge, she felt a little tired. So, she walked into the living room, where she saw 3 chairs. Goldilocks sat in the first chair to rest her feet. "This chair is too big," she exclaimed. So she sat in the second chair. "This chair is too big," she whined. Then she tried the last and smallest chair. "Ah, this chair is just suitable," she sighed. But just as she settled down into the chair to rest, it broke into pieces. Being dead tired, she went upstairs to the bedroom. She lay down in the first bed, but it was too hard. Then she lay down in the second bed, but it was too soft. Then she lay down in the third bed. It was just comfortable. Goldilocks fell asleep. The 3 bears who lived in that house came back home. "Someone has drunk our porridge," growled the dad bear and the mom bear. "Someone has eaten my porridge," cried the baby bear. "Someone has sat in my chair," growled the dad bear. "Someone has sat in my chair," said the mom bear. "Someone has broken my chair," cried the baby bear. They decided to look around for some more time. When they got upstairs to the bedroom, the dad bear growled, "Someone has been sleeping in my bed." They realized that someone had entered their house. Just then, Goldilocks woke up and saw the 3 bears. She screamed, "Help!" Goldilocks ran down the stairs, opened the door and ran away into the forest. She never returned to the home of the 3 bears. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.